The Toyota Corolla is not just a car, it's a name that has stood the test of time, earning trust across generations. With millions of units sold globally, the Corolla has become a symbol of reliability, simplicity, and smart design. From students buying their first car to families needing a dependable ride, the Corolla continues to be a top choice around the world. Its design in recent models has evolved beautifully, offering a more aggressive front, sleeker headlights, and a bold grille that gives it a sporty yet sophisticated look. Toyota has done a great job in blending traditional practicality with modern styling, making the Corolla appealing to both young drivers and seasoned car lovers. Whether you're looking at the sedan or the hatchback version, the car's proportions feel balanced and purposeful, delivering that clean, no-nonsense image that has kept it at the top of its class for decades. Performance-wise, the Toyota Corolla is all about smoothness, control, and fuel efficiency. It's not the fastest car on the road, but it was never meant to be. The 1.8-liter or 2.0-liter engine options provide enough power for city and highway driving, while remaining incredibly efficient. The CVT transmission works silently in the background, ensuring a quiet and jerk-free ride, especially in traffic-heavy urban areas. If you're going for the hybrid model, you'll love how it sips fuel and still gives you enough acceleration to feel confident. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, yet firm enough to feel safe at high speeds. Its suspension absorbs bumps quite well, offering a surprisingly refined driving experience for its price range. The Corolla may not shout performance, but it quietly delivers a balanced, smooth, and consistent drive that rarely disappoints. Inside the cabin, the Corolla keeps things practical and comfortable. It's not flashy, but everything is where it should be. You get a nice blend of hard and soft materials, with quality finishes on the steering wheel, dashboard, and door panels. The seats are supportive, especially for long drives, and there's decent space in both front and rear. The infotainment system is simple to use, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in most trims, and you get features like a reverse camera, digital climate control, and steering-mounted controls. In higher variants, features like a sunroof, keyless entry, and wireless charging add that extra touch of convenience. Storage is decent too, with cup holders, a good-sized trunk, and practical cabin layout that helps during daily errands. Whether you're commuting to work, running around the city, or going on a weekend trip, the Corolla makes everything feel easy and stress-free. What really separates the Toyota Corolla from many of its competitors is its unbeatable reputation for reliability and low maintenance. This is a car that you can drive for years without worry. It doesn't demand attention, it doesn't break down easily, and it doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. Parts are easily available, servicing is simple, and Toyota's service network is massive in most countries. The resale value is strong, and owners often say they buy a Corolla and forget about problems. That's the magic of this car, it just works. In a world where people are running after high-tech features and futuristic designs, the Corolla sticks to what matters most: dependability, comfort, and peace of mind. It's not trying to be the flashiest car on the road, it's simply trying to be the most dependable companion you'll ever own on four wheels. And in that goal, it succeeds beautifully.